For centuries, construction has been built on human sweat, human skill, and human sacrifice. But today, something extraordinary is happening. Machines are laying bricks, excavators are digging by themselves.
Around the world, construction sites are changing faster than anyone imagined. Autonomous trucks haul materials day and night. Artificial intelligence scans, measures, calculates, and corrects in real time. What once demanded hundreds of workers now requires only a handful of technicians. For construction companies, it is a dream. For millions of workers, it may be something else entirely. The jobs most vulnerable are the ones built on repetition. Digging, measuring, carrying, inspecting. One machine can now do the work of 10 men.
So where does that leave the men? But history teaches us something important. Technology does not simply destroy jobs. It transforms them. Tomorrow's construction worker may not carry bricks. Tomorrow's worker may command the robots carrying them. The machines are already here. The only question is, who will still have a place beside them?